Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. This is A2 level German examination expression Teil 1. This is for A2 level German. If you are in A2 level German expression speaking exam Teil 1. Here you can see 4 chits, 4 words are given and you have to frame questions. This is question answer round. You have to ask these 4 questions to your partner. And remember, the same 4 questions will be asked to you. Means these words will be different, but he will ask you the questions, 4 questions, and you have to answer. It's a vice versa. You have to ask your partner, and your partner will ask to you. It's a vice versa. Okay, so this is a partner Arbeit. Sie stellen 4 Fragen. You put up 4 questions. And remember, if it's Ja, Nein Frage, so don't say only Ja, only Nein. Give a full-fledged answer. For example, first word is Geburtstag, and you ask, wann haben Sie Geburtstag? Wann haben Sie Geburtstag? So this is the correct question. This is the complete question, and you will give complete answer. You will not say am Montag or am 21. You will say complete, like ich habe Geburtstag am Montag. You can say completely. Okay? Ich habe Geburtstag am Montag, or ich habe Geburtstag am Mittwoch. Okay, so you will give complete answer. So we'll see how can you ask the questions. So like first question you can ask like this: wann haben Sie Geburtstag? With one word you have to ask one question. 4 words, 4 questions. Wann haben Sie Geburtstag? This is the question you can make with this word. Another possibility: haben Sie Geburtstag? Haben Sie Geburtstag am Sonntag? Do you have birthday on Sunday? Third possibility: wie feiern Sie? How do you celebrate? Okay, wie feiern Sie Ihren Geburtstag? How do you celebrate your Geburtstag? I am writing in short. So these are the 3 possibilities with the word Geburtstag. Okay, this is the first Geburtstag. These are the possibilities. Wie feiern Sie? How do you celebrate? Okay, your birthday. Or when do you have birthday? Do you have birthday on Sunday? So you can make any one question. I have written 3 possibilities, but you can choose any one. So answer will be like ich habe Geburtstag am Montag. You can say ich habe Geburtstag whenever you say Geburtstag you will write like the any month on 21st July am 21. Juli 22. Juli, okay, you will say okay, remember, this is the correct way of speaking. Then, haben Sie Geburtstag am Sonntag? So, instead of just saying, ja, ich habe Geburtstag am Sonntag, or you can say, nein, ich habe Geburtstag am Montag, on Monday. The next, wie feiern Sie? How do you celebrate your birthday? So, here you can say, I celebrate my birthday with my family. Okay, mit Familie. Mit Familie. Ich feiere meinen Geburtstag mit Familie, with my family. Alright, so this is about the first word. Now we'll see the second word, Wohnort. Means living place. Where do you live? Okay, do you live in an apartment? Okay, how big is your house? Do you live alone? These kind of questions you can ask. So if the word is Wohnort, this is the word Wohnort. Okay, and you have to make questions. So, wo wohnen Sie? This is very simple and very good question. Use Sie form. Okay, better use throughout one form. Don't change Sie and do. Don't mix these two. Just use either Sie or do form. Wo wohnen Sie? Second is Ja, Nein. Wohnen Sie in Wohnung? Do you live in apartment? Third is wie groß ist, if you are saying 9 in house, so wie groß ist your house? How big is your house? How big is it? Or one more question, wohnen Sie allein? Wohnen Sie allein? Do you live alone? Wohnen Sie allein? Then you can say nein, ich wohne mit Familie. So here answer. Wo wohnen Sie? Simple, you can say the name of your city. Ich wohne in Pune. Or ich wohne in Kerala. Wohnen Sie in Wohnung? You can say nein, Ich wohne im Haus. I live in house. I don't live in apartment. Then how big, be gross. How big is your house? Here you can use the adjectives. Or you can say my house is sehr groß. Sehr groß. Okay. Es gibt viel Platz. Viel Platz. Viel Platz. There is lot of space. There is lot of space in my house. Wohnen Sie allein? Do you live alone? So here you can say nein. No. I live with my family. Ich wohne mit Familie. I live with family. So to the point answer, but complete answer you have to give. I am telling you how to frame the questions. Then we come to the next word is Beruf, profession. You must have done this word, and this is very, very important word, Beruf. How will you speak about this word, Beruf? Beruf means profession. So there are many questions you can frame, like simple, was sind Sie von Beruf? What is your profession? This is very good answer question. Was sind Sie von Beruf? Then the person will reply, ich bin Lehrer von Beruf, ich bin Ingenieur von Beruf, ich bin Mechaniker von Beruf, ich bin Techniker von Beruf. Second question, wie lange arbeiten Sie? Wie lange arbeiten Sie? How long you work? Means, do you work 5 hours, 8 hours? Here you can say hours. Ich arbeite 8 Stunden pro Woche. 8 Stunden pro Woche. Or ich arbeite von Montag bis Freitag. I work from Monday till Friday. Von Montag bis Freitag, you can say. Ich arbeite jeden Tag. I work every day. This is also possible. Ich arbeite jeden Tag. I work every day. Third question is that wo arbeiten Sie? Wo arbeiten Sie? Where do you work? Wo arbeiten Sie? Here you can say ich arbeite. You can give the name of the city. Ich arbeite in Chennai. Or ich arbeite by any company name, by Nokia, or by Apple, by Samsung. You can say the city and the company name. Okay. So these are the questions based on Beruf, profession. Where do you work? How long you work? Where? Okay. What are you by profession? What's your occupation? What's your profession? What's your occupation? So this is the question you can frame with this Beruf. The word is Beruf. There are also some other questions, but I am telling you very simple question that you can retain in your mind and speak in the examination. Next is like hobby. So you know it's a very common word. You have done so many times hobby, and you can ask hobby like what is your hobby? What do you do in the free time? So was ist your hobby? What is your hobby? Simple. Was ist your hobby? Then you say simple. Mein Hobby ist Musik hören. Mein Hobby ist Deutsch lernen. Mein Hobby ist schlafen, to sleep. Second question, was machen Sie in der Freizeit? That is also question. Was machen Sie in der Freizeit? Was machen Sie in der Freizeit? That is also correct question. You can ask like this. What do you do in the free time? Correct. Same answer. Ich lerne Deutsch in der Freizeit. You will point out this. Or ich spiele Fußball in der Freizeit. Ich spiele Tennis in der Freizeit. Ich schwimme in der Freizeit. Ich fahre Rad in der Freizeit. Okay, these are all based on hobby. Okay. So 2 questions are sufficient, basic question, you can do that. So this is the Teil 1 A2 level German. I hope you understand this. I hope you will be able to understand now, attempt in a better manner. So that's all in this video. Next time I'll bring some more interesting content for you. Till then, bye bye, take care.